In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an object to the origin point in AutoCAD. Placing geometry exactly at the origin, which is the coordinate 0, 0, is a simple but powerful way to keep your drawing organized. Align content for exports and prepare clean blocks and references. When we'll use the move command and a precise coordinate entry to get it done quickly and accurately. Start by calling the move command. You can type move or just M in the command line and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to select objects. Click to select everything you want to move. This can be a single object or multiple items, and when you are done, press enter again to confirm the selection. If you ever feel unsure, keep an eye on the command line. It always tells you what AutoCAD expects next. Now, you'll be asked to specify a base point. This is the anchor AutoCAD will use to reposition your selection. Choose a meaningful point on your object like a corner, a midpoint, or the insertion point, whichever point you want to land exactly at the origin. The base point you pick here will end up at 0, 0. So take a moment to choose carefully for the best alignment. With the base point picked, go straight to the command line and type 0, 0. Then press enter. That tells AutoCAD to place your chosen base point at the absolute coordinate of the drawing's origin. If dynamic input is turned on, which you can toggle with F12, you may need to prefix the coordinate with the # and type hash 0, 0. The hash symbol forces AutoCAD to treat the entry as an absolute coordinate instead of a relative one, ensuring the move goes exactly to the global origin rather than offsetting from your base point. After you confirm the coordinate, the move is complete. The object is now positioned so that the base point you selected sits precisely at the origin. This means any future inserts, alignments, or external references based on that point will be consistent and predictable. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that you confirmed the object selection with enter. Chose the correct base point and entered 0, 0 using the hash prefix when dynamic input is on. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.